My name is Raj and Kavil and my company is Lotus Smart Homes. I've been involved at the temple for nearly 18 years. We're looking after various aspects of the electrical installation. I was fortunate enough to be awarded this project. We took on the designing and the installation of the entire AV. I understand every year how the Janmashtami is celebrated and what they need. So when we were designing the main hall, we brought all of those aspects into it. Habitech have been fantastic with their support. It was a daunting project and it was a project I put myself under pressure to get right. Since the start of the design, they were on board and they've always been there to help us. Habitech were able to offer us a sound heat map. They were able to spec where to put the speakers, what speakers to use. They were also able to design to us at sort of air level what the sound would be. Once again, I was very happy with their help and I trusted everything that they put on their design.
My name is Kavil. I'm the director of Lotus Smart Homes. The brief of the project was that the temple wanted an easy-to-use system that they could easily divide up into separate sections for the hall. The kit we used at the project was mainly around a Yamaha audio system, which was paired with Sonance Professional Speakers, and then the video distribution was based around a Wirestorm HD-based system. The lighting control is also done by Crestron. This is also integrated into the AV, and then there's also a requirement for stage mixing, so there was a Soundcraft audio mixer along with some Yamaha PA speakers. So we've previously used Sonance in our residential projects quite a lot, and we've never had any issues with them. It was a natural train of thought basically to go to Sonance Professional. It was recommended by Habitech and we've never looked back. The Yamaha kit we've used in previous projects in other temples. We know it's reliable, it works well with Dante. Because it's a commercial project, everything that we offered had to be a commercial product. It needed to last long and be reliable. Habitech were able to offer us a Yamaha solution which you're able to control as one big space or as 3 individual spaces. Justin was really helpful throughout the whole project. He advised us on what products should be used and where we should use them. We gave Habitech a drawing for the building. They were able to produce a heat map for the sound, and it was very detailed. It came right down to the air level of where everyone would be sitting, what it would sound like, and the pressure levels of each speaker. It's been a fantastic project to work with. They're using the function here today and it's working really well. They've been using it for the last 3 or 4 years now, and we've not had any complaints.
My name is Neela Madhavadas and I'm the Managing Director here at the temple. The temple has several sites now. Currently we're situated in the Unveiling project, which is the middle. We're very much indebted with all the services that we have within this building of ours. The technology behind it and everything that we've achieved with it is quite fantastic. Yes, thank you to everyone who's been involved really to make this a beautiful facility.